Hello children, I have explained you the chapter The Royal Bengal Tiger. We have read the book, the chapter also, okay? Can you see the furious tiger here, ferocious tiger? Yes. Are you afraid? Don't be afraid, it is just a picture children. So today we are going to do the Royal Bengal Tiger, the book exercise. So let's see. Choose the correct options to answer the following questions. Children, it is a part of a comprehension which we have already read in the book. Fine, we have already read the chapter, so let's answer it. Which of these is not the reason for the Bengal tiger to be chosen as the national animal of India? Number A, it is graceful, it is powerful, it looks beautiful. Children, we have read that it's graceful, it has smoothness, okay, it is powerful, no doubt, it's mighty. Does it look beautiful? I think it looks ferocious. Okay, so the answer will be it looks beautiful. Now next one. Which country has the maximum number of tigers? India, Bhutan or China? We have read children that India has the maximum number of tigers. Okay. In which country was let children, here can see that by mistake I have put a star here, but the star should be here. It looks beautiful. The second answer again India will go. In which country was Project Tiger launched? When was it launched? Children, we have read that it was launched in India in which year? In 1973. Which tiger is found throughout India except in the northwestern region? Yes, we are reading about Royal Bengal tiger, so it will be the answer. How many tiger reserves were established toward the country under the Project Tiger? Yes, we have read that 23 tigers reserves were established. So answer will be 23. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number B. Complete the following table using the information given in the lesson that you have read. Children, you can do it easily. Why? Because just now we have read the chapter Project Tiger. Year of establishment and the country, we have read that it was established in India in 1973. What was the aim of the project? To preserve and increase the population of the tigers. What was the reason for starting it? Why? Because there was a steep fall in the population of the tiger and the tigers might be wiped out. Then it would become extinct animal. Okay, so it was the reason. What was the plan? To increase the population of the tigers. And what was the effect of the plan? By 1993, there was much improvement in the population of the tigers. And is the plan good? Yes. Why? Because as of now, India has around 3,000 tigers. And how can we improve children the condition of the animals? By helping the government and complain against the poachers. Poachers means who are illegally hunting or smuggling the animals. Okay, let's see question answer. Why do people kill tigers? Yes. So, children, we have read that people kill tigers for their skin and other body parts. What does the Royal Bengal tiger symbolize as the national animal of India? So, the Royal Bengal tiger as the national animal of India symbolizes the power, strength, elegance, alertness, intelligence and tolerance of the nation. Why is the population of tigers still not satisfactory? Give three reasons. Children, in the book only two reasons are given. Illegal poaching and unawareness of the government. So we can find the third reason from the internet or by your common sense. Okay, like depletion of the prey when the wild animals will not get herbivorous animals as their prey. Okay, so what will happen? They will be hungry. Okay, and after that they will become weak if they will not get the animals to eat, so they can die. And the loss of habitat also, if they will not get the proper shelter, the proper natural environment, if we will we will take their home. How? By deforestation. Okay, then also they will lose their home and they will be killed by humans, or maybe they will feel weak or ill and they will die automatically. So the population of tigers is still not satisfactory due to the following three reasons. First one is due to illegal poaching. Second one, negligence of authorities towards the alarming situation of the tiger population in the country. And the third one is loss of habitat, you can say. Okay, number 4. Why has there been a fall in the population of tigers? So, there has been a fall in the population of tigers due to illegal smuggling of tiger skin and other body parts, children. And how can we say that the efforts made to protect the tigers are showing results? Yes, we have read in the last paragraph of the chapter, children, that we can say that the efforts made to protect the tigers are showing results, as India has around 70% of the world's around 3,000 tigers, which shows an increase in the number of the national animal of India. Now, language structure. Children, you have already learned synonym, antonym, homonym. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Antonym. Antonyms are words which are opposite to each other in a meaning. For example, junior, senior. What is the opposite of kind? Cruel. What is the opposite of poor? Rich. What is the opposite of thick? Thin. So, let's see what is the question. Rewrite the following sentences after replacing the underlined words with their antonyms and make the necessary changes in the sentences wherever required. Children, can you see the few words are in different color? So what we have to do, we have to write the antonyms of these words. The story was very interesting. So what is the opposite of interesting? The story was very boring. He got upset after talking to Sunil over phone. So what is the opposite of upset? Relaxed. So she got relaxed after talking to Sunil over phone. The king was arrogant to his people. So what is the opposite of arrogant? Humble or polite. So the king was humble to his people. The axe of the woodcutter was blunt. What is the opposite of blunt? Sharp. So the axe of the woodcutter was sharp. This bread is not fresh. What is the opposite of fresh? Stale. So this bread is not stale. Maria has a thick notebook. What is the opposite of thick? Thin. So Maria has a thin notebook. A list of words and their antonym is given below. Find the pairs and write them in the space provided. So children, can you see many words are given here? Suppose freedom is given here. The opposite of freedom you will find from here. The opposite of, then second word is leader. So you have to find the opposite of leader. So let's do one by one. So first word is freedom. So let us remove the word freedom from the box. So it will make easier now to find the other words. So opposite of freedom is slavery. So please remove slavery also. Second word is leader. What is the opposite of leader? First we have to remove leader from here. What is the opposite? Follower. So remove follower also. Third word is destroy. Remove destroy. What is the opposite of destroy? Where is create? So please remove create also. Next word is ascend. Remove ascent. See here it is written decent, so obviously it is opposite. So remove decent from here. Next word is dead. Children, what is the opposite of dead? See, it's written alive. So please write a dead here. Cut dead. Write alive. Cut alive. Now next one is arrival. Cut arrival. What is the opposite of arrival? Departure. So cut departure. Next is peace. Peace. Then cut peace. What is the opposite of peace? War. Remove war. Then it is rise. Only two words are left. So very easy to write. Rise. Fall. So let's move on to the next page. Grammatically, reflexive pronouns, children. Words myself, herself, himself, ourselves, themselves, and yourselves refer to the subject of the sentence. Subject means whom we are talking about. We have already learned in subject and predicate. Subject means whom we are talking about. So they are known as reflexive pronoun. For example, I made this painting myself. So for what can you write? Myself. We made this painting ourselves. Children, myself is reflexive pronoun. I has changed into myself. We has changed into ourselves. Did you make this painting yourself? So you will change into yourself. In the same way, he, himself, her, herself, they, themselves. Okay. It itself. Now complete the following sentences using the correct reflexive pronouns, children. Decided to go to the accident spot. Children, can you see it is written she? What is the pronoun of she? A reflexive pronoun, herself. I don't want help from anyone. I want to do it. Children, what will be the reflexive pronoun of I? Myself. Zora and her family. Children, can you see it will be plural? Zora and her family. What will be the pronoun of Zora and her family? They. Okay, so can we write they intend to paint their house themselves? Why don't we try doing it? We, children, we will change into ourselves. Do you think Harry can do it? Harry is a boy, so what we will write? Himself. Without anyone's help. Sheetal and Megha, children, again it is plural. Okay, so what is the pronoun of Sheetal and Megha? They. So they decided to plan the trip themselves. Okay, we will read here kinds of pronoun. A recapitulation. Why? Because already we have done pronoun. No. So let us revise it. Let us classify all the pronouns as personal pronouns. For example, I, me, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it, our, us. Reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, herself, himself, themselves. Just how we have read. Demonstrative pronoun means when we point something like this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronoun means when we ask a question. Who, whose, which. Relative pronoun means when the two words we can say which shows relation, like which or who. Possessive pronouns which show possessiveness, belongings. Mine, their, your, ours, theirs. Indefinite pronoun, which is not definite, children, like anything, everything, everyone. Now complete the following sentence with appropriate pronoun. Children, can you see the boxes, helping boxes given here? So please choose the correct answer. This is the house that Jack built, not who Jack built. The blue bouncing ball is not. Children, you have to find from here. Obviously, we have to write here, so it will be not your. It is wrong. So mine. It is his. Mine is wrong here. So Ravi asked, whose mother, children? Ravi is a boy, so his mother. If she would buy him a remote controlled car. Whose shoes are these or their, children? These. Whose shoes are these? Not there. You can make a paper boat yourself, not there. In the confusion, I could not see whose car it was. We will not write who car it was. Okay, it is wrong. These are the people who create trouble, not who's create trouble. Okay, and these trousers are not yours because we can see here as so yours, and they are mine. Now listen and tell. Listen carefully. Children, we don't have audio here, so we will find the answer from the internet. Okay. If we don't know, state whether the following statements are true or false. So let's see. Sparrows were not commonly found in the past. No, it is false, children. It was found. It was commonly found in the past. Sparrows are as big as tennis balls. Yes, you have already seen. Okay. Sparrows. The male sparrow is dark brown in color. Yes, it's true. The female sparrow has a white colored body. No, it has pale brown body, children. Pale brown colored body. Sparrows can usually be found in groups. Yes, children, they also fly in groups. Okay, they are very social also. Sparrows have slow movements and take a lot of time to move from one place to another. Yes, it's true. They are very slow. They are not fast. Okay, be creative. I know you all are very creative. So let's see what creativity you have to show here. Imagine you saw some students of your school hitting stray dogs with stones. Yes, most of the time we will see the boys okay, who are going back to their home after school or anywhere, okay, if they find stray dogs, they will take the stones and they will start beating or hitting. Okay, so write an application to the principal of your school complaining about the issue. Children, you have to write to an application. You have learned application, so I think you can write this. And if you can't, I will help you. Don't worry. Top 10. Divide into pairs, assign roles of two different animals to each, and work together to prepare an interesting conversation between the two. Enact your conversations in the class. Children, it is not possible because it's a corona period going on. You know, our schools are closed. Only school buildings are closed, okay, but our classes are going on. So, what you can do, you cannot get your partner at your home like your classmates, but your siblings are there, your parents are there, okay, so you can assign the roles, okay, suppose to your father or mother or your brother or your sister, okay, so please enact your conversations as you do in the class, okay, and you can write in your rough copy. Okay, let's do. I hope you have understood all the book work. So that's all for today. Thank you, children.